I'm Sam.
And I'm Luke.
We're the Garbage Bag Boys, and today I'm going to give you a 90-second or less rundown on the bike that we're using to ride around the world for a year. So here we've got the Curve GMX Plus, from front to back, starting off with 29-inch wheels running 2.6-inch Mezcal tyres. These have been awesome at eating up all the bumps of the road. They're tubeless, and in 3,000 k's of rough riding, we've had 0 flats.
We've got the Surly Sunrise handlebars I've got on my bike, nice and wide, allows for a comfortable position with the Ergon GS2 grips, allowing for multiple hand positions for the long rides on the road. The Tailfin top tube bag, it's huge, it's long, it's big, it's a fat, anyway, it stores battery banks, AirPods, phones, cords, anything you need. I've also got the Schmidt Dynamo hub. Huh? What is it?
It's the Shutter Precision.
Shutter Precision Dynamo hub at the front.
As for the front hub, we're running the Shutter Precision Dynamo hub. Now this is connected to a K-Light system at the front and at the back, as well as the K-Light charging system. And this has allowed us to ride well into the night every night and keep everything charged throughout the day. The rear hub is the classic and iconic DT Swiss 350. I love the sound of this hub. It's absolutely bomb-proof. And one of my favourite features is that you can remove the cassette without any special tools, which makes for easier maintenance and repairs if they're necessary. Our bikes are kitted out with the full Tailfin assortment of bags. At the front here we've got the Tailfin fork packs, then we've got the Tailfin handlebar bags, the awesome new Tailfin top tube bag, and finally the Aero pack and Tailfin rear bag system.
And it's got air vents in each of these Tailfin bags, which allow you to roll up the bag nice and tight and push all the air out, which has just been amazing to store everything.
These are all mounted to the bike with the X-clamp system, which is super easy to take these bags off in only a matter of seconds. And unlike other panniers out there, they are completely rattle-free, which means when you're gunning it down those rough roads, the bike feels like it's operating at one. The centre of the bike here, we've got a custom-made frame bag from Terra Rosa. This thing has been awesome, super durable, 3 compartments, and it's where we store everything from snacks to our Kindles to some of our repair kits. As you can see here, we've got 3 Nalgenes strapped around the bike. Curve has these awesome mounts here on the side, which allow for those extra big bottles, and this is going to be really important for us when we start to go more off-grid and need to carry a lot of water. So what's really special about the GMX is actually the Seek 430 carbon fork at the front. Now this bike is actually built around this fork, and when I first heard about this feature I was a little bit skeptical. But the carbon fork has just blown me away in the last couple of weeks. It keeps the front end light, agile, feels lively, and eats up all the little bumps on the road. Now Curve actually uses which are a novel and unique way of mounting things. Here on both sides we've got mounted the Curve titanium rocket pooch cages, and with they're super durable, and the fork can actually take 6 kilograms of weight on either side. They're currently empty, but as we go into the Gobi Desert and more remote locations, we'll be using those to mount extra water, fuel and food. Looking towards the rear of the bike here, one of our favourite features is the Cane Creek Thud Buster seat. This thing just helps keep our asses a little bit more comfortable on those long days and some of the sketchy roads we've been riding, and just takes some of the roughness out of the roads. Combined with the 29-inch wheels and running a bit of a lower pressure in the tyre, it almost feels like you're riding a full suspension bike, which is pretty crazy considering this is a fully rigid setup. You know what, Jonesy? I'm not happy with that. I'm going to try this again. G'day.
Oh no, surely not.
It's okay. They gave us...